Suya is a popular street food in Nigeria and West Africa. Let me show you how I made this very tasty, nutty and flavorful Nigerian suya recipe from the very comfort of your home. Please keep watching, don't forget to subscribe and Nancy for the more, and you are welcome to me. So suya is made from chicken, cow and beef meat. So the choice is yours, but for me I'll be using beef for this recipe, and my beef is cut into tiny bits just the way you're saying it. So I'll be adding in my seasoning powder, my soya spice. Just be generous with it. And I'll also be adding in my vegetable oil. I'll be giving this a good mix and mixing the spice rub into the beef until it is evenly coated. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to cover it with a cling film, and we are going to allow this to marinate for about 30 to 1 hour. So this is after 30 minutes, and I'm going to be adding in my vegetable oil in my pan and allow it to heat up a bit, and I'll be placing in my beef into my vegetable oil one after the other, and cook the beef on both sides till it is well cooked. Suya is made from a processed red meat, and the smoky process it goes through. So it's advisable to make suya from the comfort of your home, and it's also advisable to serve your suya with onion, cabbage, tomatoes and cucumber. Okay, please, if you have watched till this time and you have not subscribed, please subscribe, thumbs up, like and click the notification button to get notified whenever I upload new video. Please thumbs up if you like this. So we are done with this process, and I'll be adding in my veggies, and this is advisable. Please do not serve your suya without adding vegetable to it for your health's sake. Suya can be preserved also in the refrigerator, and you preheat it whenever you want to use it. See you in my next one. Bye.